name is Rhonda and I'm also known as the Sparkly One. Today I'm going to show you a few projects that I've been working on, and I actually am learning how to knit. So I'm very excited about that, and hopefully in the future I'll have some knitting videos for you. But for the first project that I want to show you, Hobbii Yarn was so gracious and they sent me some skeins of yarn. And so I thought I'd make up a pattern on my own, and I know how popular shawls are, so I thought I would make a shawl. And this one, let me just show you. Okay, here's the yarn. So as you can see, I haven't quite used a skein yet, but I'm not done with it. And this Hobbii yarn is so soft and it's so beautiful. I love this. So here's what I have so far. Now this is made with their yarn. I'll put a little a picture right here so you can see what that looks like. I used a popcorn stitch. I used half double crochet, treble crochet. It's just so pretty. I love this. And it's really small right now. Actually, if you wanted it for a child, this would be perfect. And I just love it. So if you want to learn how to make this, let me know and put a comment down below. I'm calling this the Pink Charming Shawl. Pink Charming Shawl. And I thought it was so pretty, and of course pink is my favorite color. And as you can see here, you can also wear this as a scarf. So all you'll be doing is making your shawl smaller, not a normal size shawl, and then that just turns it into a scarf. And you can add a tassel or some trim, and that just looks really pretty. And another thing that I am just finishing up, it's probably going to take me another hour and a half to make this, but this is by Yarn Bee at Hobby Lobby, and oh my gosh, their yarn is so soft. It's similar to that Hobbii yarn, but it's more silky. And this is going to be a scarf, as you can see, and I did this with, I'm calling this a ribbed pattern, and I did this with a half double crochet, and I believe I used a size G hook or H hook, I can't remember. And it's just so pretty, so it will wind around someone's neck, just like this. And it's just gorgeous. I love this color, it's so pretty. And this is called Violet, and it really is, it's so pretty. And also, I have another scarf. I haven't quite finished it yet because I haven't finished the ends. And this is a Red Heart Ombre yarn. And I haven't finished the ends, but I am going to put a little pom-pom edging on that. And this is also done in that same exact pattern as the purple one. And this is just a half double crochet in the back loops only. And that makes such a pretty pattern, and it looks more like knitting, so I really like that. And then my next project that I've been working on, and of course I haven't finished this one on the ends yet either, and this is another cute little shawl. I mean, a cute scarf, and it's just more to tuck into your jacket kind of thing, so it doesn't wrap around. And this is done in this really pretty pattern, and I found this on Daisy Farm Crafts. They have the most beautiful crochet projects, and they are so talented, and I learned that stitch on their website. So they have a list of stitches that you can use on their website for free, and it's just so pretty. So I highly recommend doing this stitch. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll put that in the video. But this is done in that same yarn as the one I just showed you, and it's a variegated blue. Or actually, this is an ombre blue. I know people really love to make shawls, so I felt like I should make a few of those and join the crowd. And what I did is I used this sparkly purple or lavender yarn, and then I also used just a gray next to it. So it's really cute, and a little stripe like that. And this is made for a child. And as you can see, it's just done in the granny square stitch. And I just think it's so pretty. You could also wear this as a scarf. So you would just tie it around your neck from the front to the back. Also, I wanted to show you this project that I was working on. So this one is also done with that double crochet in the back loops only. This was done with I think it's a 5 bulky weight yarn. I did a beanie with this same yarn, so I'll show you that right here. And I'm calling this my leg blanket because when I was sitting on the couch watching Hallmark Channel and crocheting, I wanted something to cover up my legs because I was so cold. So I crocheted this heavier little blanket, and I didn't want it too big because, you know, I didn't want it dragging on the floor, and just, it's probably about 45 inches long by, I don't know, 24 inches wide, something like that. But I just thought that was really fun. I don't think I've ever seen anybody make a leg blanket, but that's what that is. And here is that same yarn, and this is the beanie that I made. I'll link that video right here so you can see how I made it. And for my last project that I was working on, I guess I've been busy. I just keep going from project to project. And this is a big shawl, as you can see. So I'm calling this my two-tone shawl. And this is just done with a double crochet stitch. That's it, just a double crochet. And then I put on this really just soft, lacy border. And that was really simple. So this is a really easy pattern to do, and so I will probably be making a video on how to make this shawl. And I am giving it as a gift tomorrow, so I won't have time to use this one as my pattern, but I will definitely make another one similar to it. So as you can see, there's the back. The reason I don't like shawls for myself is because they're always slipping off your shoulders. So what I'm going to do, and I did this in another video that I did, which was called how to make a wearable blanket. So if you look at that pattern, you'll see that I crocheted a little tie, and then I just put it right here and tied it. So I think I'm going to do that for this one, so whoever wears it, because I'm giving it away as a gift tomorrow, when she wears it, that she can just tie it to keep it on, because otherwise they're just going to fall off. And that's it. So that's what I've been working on for the last couple of weeks. And let me know what projects you're working on or what projects you would like to see. Just go ahead and leave me a comment. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you next time. Take care. God bless. Bye.